Hi friends, welcome to Let's Learn YouTube channel. Recently, I have received an interview question how to create a GDG base manually. To achieve this, I am going for the third option, which is utilities on ISPF's primary menu option, which screen is basically the first screen when we log into mainframe. So after logging into mainframe, I'm selecting the third option, that is utilities. So I'm pressing enter now. Now, when I press enter, the navigation will come into this screen. This screen will have multiple options basically. So here I need to select the second option, which is data set. This option is used to allocate a rename or delete or catalog, uncatalog data sets basically. So I'm selecting the second option and I'm pressing the enter. Friends, at any point in this video, if you feel this video is helpful, please like the video friends. It will motivate me to make more videos with respect to interview questions. Thank you friends. Once you press enter, the navigation will come into this screen. So in this screen, we need to select the option V. Generally, V is for visa utilities. Generally, we use this screen basically to allocate a new data set. Okay, but here we are selecting V option. Okay, I'm selecting V option and I'm giving the GDG base name basically. So I'm giving base name as ish.m.gdg as base name. Now once we give the GDG base name and you select the V option on the command line, now you press enter. Once you press enter, you will see two options. One is primary process request and the second option is data type. In process request, we will have multiple options. The first option is define and the second option is delete. And the third option is to see the attributes of a VSAM file or a GDG. So as I need to create a GDG, I should go for the first option, that is first option. Okay, I'm selecting the first option. In data type, we are creating the GDG. So you need to select the GDG option. The GDG option here is fourth option. So I'm selecting the fourth option. Generally, the numbers might change, but you need to select GDG option, basically generation data group and define. Okay, now I have selected process type as 1 and basically the data type as 4. Okay, now when I press enter, it will route into this screen. The navigation will come into this screen. Here you will see the GDG name and the GDG other parameters. Basically, whenever we are creating GDG, we'll have multiple parameters. Most important parameters are limit, scratch and no scratch, empty and no empty. So limit have given as 2, scratch and no scratch coming to empty and no empty have given as empty, scratch and no scratch have given as scratch. Okay, these are the options I have given. So if you want days, owner, all these options you can also give, but I need only these three options currently. So I have given these three options and I'm pressing the enter. Okay, if you need more explanation with respect to limit, no empty, empty, or scratch or no scratch, you will see a video on the top right corner. Please go to that video and try to find what are the limit options, what are the empty and no empty, no scratch and no scratch options. Okay, now I'm pressing enter. When I press enter, the screen, the navigation will come into the screen. So here I need to give exec command. Basically exec is to execute the statements. Whatever the statements we have given, the statements need to be executed. So I have given exec command. If you need to cancel this, then you can give cancel. Basically here, if you see here, cancel and exec. Okay, exec is for execute, can is for cancel. So I am giving exec option and I am pressing enter. Okay, once I press enter, you will see the return code as 0. So you will see return code as 0. When the return code is 0, that means the data set, the GDG has been created. So I copied the GDG name and I am going for the 3.4 option to see whether GDG base has been created or not. When I press enter, you will see the GDG base is created. Okay, this is how we should create the GDG base manually. So now let's see how to delete a GDG base manually. So instead of in process request, instead of define, I need to select two basically, and I need to press here data type. I have selected generation data group and I will press enter. So when you press enter, here it will ask what we are doing with respect to data type. You need to select fourth data type as our the data base is GDG. As we are dealing with the GDG, we need to select fourth option. So I have now selected fourth option and I'm pressing enter. Here also you will see on the next screen also you will see the exec command or cancel. So when you see exec command, when you give exec command, whatever the GDG base we just now created, it will get deleted. Okay, so I'm giving exec command and now I'm pressing enter. So now we got return code as 0. Now let's go for 3.4 option and see whether the GDG base is still present or not. So when I give each.m.gdg, you will see no data set has been present. So this is how we will create or delete a GDG manually. That's it, friends, with respect to interview question. We'll meet again with a new question. Also, please like, share, and subscribe the channel, friends. Thank you, friends. Have a nice day.